Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Elk County in southeastern Kansas, southeastern Cowley County, northwestern Chautauqua County in southeastern Kansas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Dexter, or 8 miles west of Cedarvale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedarvale and Moline.